In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to use the overtime function, which is located within the pay rates. From your dashboard on the sidebar menu, scroll down to My People, click the down arrow, and then go right down the bottom to Pay Rates. Once here, your pay rate template dashboard will appear with any created pay rules. Let's dive into one. Let's say the HR manager role, which is located on the bottom left. We'll click the Edit function. Now from here, you see that I've created 4 pay rules. Let's look at the first 2 to start with. Now we've created a rule name calling it ordinary rate, and the ordinary rate is $50 per hour. Then we look at the time frame this is applicable from. So we've created a 24-hour cycle, so from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. That $50 an hour rate is the ordinary rate. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are highlighted that this rate will be applicable from. Now, a normal workday is 8 hours. So what we've done is we've created rule number 2, and we've clicked the overtime function. Okay, so what that overtime function does is it tells rule number 1 that after 8 hours, you're going to pay this person or cost this person out at $100 per hour. So we've named it overtime. We've put a cost down at $100 per hour, and we've said after 8 hours, we're paying $100 per hour. So on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that will be applicable. Now, it's really important to understand that you can only use this overtime function once within a pay template, and it is linked to the pay rule before it. So number 2 is linked to number 1. Now, there's a way of not using the overtime function. So let's look at pay rate number 3. So pay rate number 3 is for a Saturday rate, which we've clicked. So from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., the ordinary rate for the first 2 hours is $70 per hour. Then what we've done is create rule number 4. Saturday after the first 2 hours, $100 per hour is applicable. So between the hours of 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is after the 9 a.m. finish time of rule number 3, we've clicked Saturday, $100 an hour will be applicable. So this is how you add or change rules within the overtime function. Particularly, this is how you use the overtime rule. But remember, it is only linked to one rule within a pay template.